Hi, hope everybody had a good, peaceful night. It's cold. It's 32 and it says it feels like 27, but I looked and there's no snow. No new snow. It's not snowing. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. But snow is scheduled, so we'll see. I finished up my mushrooms that I forgot. This is just 2 eggs. I don't know why it always looks like more, but it's only 2 eggs. And I don't think I can get that tomato in there. I had plans tonight to meet Ava and TikTok Tony for dinner. Those plans are canceled because Tony's not feeling good. I said, please, get better. We can do it anytime. So she's home, and I know she's not with Walter. He would take good care of her. So I'm sending out good vibes, hugs, and feel better soon. A lot of people are under the weather. I know my son-in-law has been for a couple of months now. Off and on. Feel better. Then you feel sick. It's not nice. But the good news is 60 days till spring. Oh yeah, 60. So today's birthday, Jodie Sweden. Full House, she grew up. Janis Joplin, of course, Dolly Parton, Edgar Allan Poe, Martha Davis, Desi Arnaz. I would say Junior, but being that his dad has passed, I'm not going to say Junior. It's Desi Arnaz. Katie Segal, Sean Wayans, funny family, talented, my gosh. Phil Everly, Robert Palmer, Shelley Fabre, Johnny Angel. I love her. Today day is Artists as Outlaws. Brew a potion. Love potion number 9. I know my grandkids love, it brings out the witchery in you. The Harry Potter, the potions, and Minecraft, they all make potions for something or another. Make believe. Good Memory Day, Gun Appreciation, Fetish Day. The names today are Annie and Lucy. It's your day, ladies. Popcorn Day. Good day for popcorn and watch a movie and hope the snow passes. Tenderness toward existence. Everything matters. We're all here together. Tin Can and World Quark. It's like a cheese-like substance, but it's healthier than cheese. I don't think I've ever had it. I would love to try it. And I want to make a shout out to my friends Maria and Gina, my TikTok friends. I went out to eat with them a couple of times. They have a page now. They're doing food reviews. Mangia Chibo. I'll tag them. Things you can't control: the past, the future, and opinions of others. What you can control is how I speak to myself, my actions, and my thoughts. Not easy, but they're all mine to control. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. I'm watching Tucker again this weekend. I was going to go to my daughter's after dinner tonight, after Tony and Ava. But being that it's been canceled, I'm going to go earlier and spend part of the day with my daughter. I think they're leaving right after school, when the boys come home from school. And then, when they come back, I'm going to ride up with my daughter to Oneonta to take Natalie back to school. So, I'll be away for a couple of days. My sister's in charge. And that's it, you know. Hopefully the weather gets better. Not better, but not so much snow. You know what I mean? Because that stops a lot of people going out, plans and everything. Get something good to eat, stay hydrated. And I'm going to be sending you my day with Tucker. I hope he don't know what's going on. Cute dog. Talk to you later. Have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend.